How to download Canva on PC, laptop, or Mac. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Canva desktop app on your PC, laptop, or MacBook. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any other browser. Next, go to Google and search for Download Canva Desktop App. Now open the official Canva website. You should see a download page with a big button for Windows users. If you're using a MacBook like me, look for the option that says Also Available on macOS and click on it. Once you click the download button, the installer file will begin downloading onto your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer file. If you're on Windows, simply follow the on-screen installation steps. If you're on a Mac, drag the Canva icon into your Applications folder when prompted. The installation process usually takes less than a minute. Once it's installed, you'll see the Canva icon appear on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Now open the Canva app. The first time you launch it, Canva may ask you to log in through your browser. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Simply sign into your Canva account in the browser window, and it will automatically redirect you back into the desktop app. And that's it. Canva is now installed on your PC or Mac, and you'll probably notice right away that it feels much smoother and more responsive than using it in a browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more Canva tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.